This is melted aluminum. When I pulled the cover, these flames were going because the fire department didn't turn that gas valve, that yellow gas valve, off. So the gas was still coming through, and the gas is what caused the issue. It smelled like burnt wires because all these wires burnt. But what burnt the wires is this right here. That gas valve right there, Residio, Honeywell, whatever you want to call it, was stuck closed, pushing gas through here, or stuck open, I'm sorry, pushed gas through here, and this fan couldn't pull the flame into those burners, and the venturis and the turbulators and all that were no effect at all. So the flame just came straight up and stayed in this compartment. And as the gas filled this compartment, it just became one big bomb and started burning everything in here. It got hot enough to melt aluminum. That's a pile of aluminum. You can see where it dripped off right here. That's the protective shroud that goes over that fan. It melted everything. Melted all the high limit safety switches. Everything burnt and cooked. This is a very, very freak, rare occurrence. First one I've ever seen do this. But that's 100% what happened. I turned the gas off, the flames went away, and now this thing is cooled off. When I got here, it was hot as a biscuit. You could cook eggs on it. It was so hot where the flame was still going all night. That's what happened. I'm going to call Lennox now. I've got the gauge on it. It is on the burner side only. It is P1. P1. Going into the unit there. Looped around and everything. Here's P2. Disconnected. So, just to make sure there's no discrepancies there. So, anyway, I'm going to turn this valve. The unit is shut down, powered off, breakers off as well. So, there should be no gas pressure on that gauge when I turn this on. There you go. Now, we'll see what happens when I turn it off. I smell it now too, where it was going through. Stuck valve. All right, test number 2 is with the valve